Hi dear students, we are starting the third video about expressions, substitution into an expression. That's our title. Substitution into an expression means replacing the letters in the expression with given numbers, as you read here. And if x is equal to 3, find the value of 4x plus 5 means, in this type of questions, we are going to replace the x value by here 3 in the expression 4x plus 5. If I write here if x is equal to 3, then 4x plus 5, it's equal to 4 times x plus 5, you know that is, and 4 times x is equal to 3, we know that one. 4 times 3 plus 5, it's going to be, plus 5, it's going to be 4 times 3, it's equal to 12. 12 plus 5, it's going to be, that's equal to 17. So the expression value is 17 if x is equal to 3, and this is our topic here that we are trying to explain to you. Okay, while we are solving this kind of questions, we have to be careful about the PEMDAS rule. I taught you before this PEMDAS rule. As you see here, while you are doing operation, you have to be careful firstly about the be careful about the operation order. So with respect to this order, PEMDAS rule, we have to do our operations. Let's continue with the exercise to understand better. X is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 3. So if x is equal to 2 and y is equal to, let me write with different colors to understand better, to explain better maybe. y is equal to 3, then minus 3, minus 3. If it is like that, it means the a1 x squared plus 3y is equal to 2 square plus 3 minus 3y, actually 3 times minus 3y, it should be minus 3, it should be, not minus 3y, it should be minus 3. Okay, so the answer here, it's going to be one by one. I'm going to calculate all of them. First, I need to solve the parenthesis problem or exponent problem. So the first one that comes to us, exponent. So 2 squared, it's equal to 4. Then here we have negative number, 3 times minus 3 plus 3 times minus 3, it's going to be negative, minus times minus, it's plus times minus, it's going to be negative, so it's equal to minus 9. 4 minus 9, it's going to be equal to minus 5, you know that one. Okay, let's do the same thing for the other question here. 3x squared, I'm going to solve the 3y squared plus 7x, and here if I copy this one and get here, 4 c is equal to 3y squared plus 7x means is equal to 3 times y, known that minus 3, 3 times minus 3 square, and plus 7 times x is equal to 2 it's going to be. So with respect to this one, it's going to be equal to 3 times minus 3 squared is equal to, first I need to solve before there, here is multiplication, before that multiplication I have exponent. So here I'm going to first solve exponent problem. Exponent minus 3 squared, it's equal to 9. So 3 times 9, it's going to be, and 7 times 2, it's equal to 14. 3 times 9, it's equal to 27. 27 plus 14, it's going to be equal to 41. Okay, so the answer of this expression with respect to given values, we substitute like this, and we have similar kind of questions here. Only I want to solve, these are similar exercises. We are going to only substitute the value Here I want to solve only this type of exercises, because here we have 3 terms, so I'm going to choose only one of them, like 3p plus 8 minus 2r, or let me choose and the other exercise, 2p plus 5q plus 3r. 2p, if p is equal to minus 3 and q is equal to 2 and r is equal to minus 1, what is 2p plus 5q plus 3r for us is equal to 2 times, instead of p I'm going to replace by minus 3, 2 times minus 3 plus 5 times q value is equal to 2, so 5 times 2 it's going to be, since it is positive I'm not writing in parentheses, and the last one r is equal to minus 1, so 3 times, pardon I shouldn't write here, is equal to sign, plus 3 times r, which is equal to minus 1, it's going to be, okay, 2 times minus 3, it's going to be equal to minus 6, plus and minus, 5 times 2, it's equal to 10, plus 10 it's going to be, plus 3 times minus 1, it's going to be equal to minus 3, so here this is going to be minus 3, minus 6 plus 10, it's equal to plus 4, plus 4 minus 3, it's equal to plus 1, but as you remember we are not writing plus 1, so we are writing 1 directly to the answer. This is the answer of question, and as you see we substitute 3 different values into expression.